Is it hard being a mum?
Feel good sometimes I don't, like, no. I finesse down Western Road, like, next. Might go down to G.O.D., yeah, wait. I go hard on...
Hello and welcome to my Q&A. My name's Shauna and this is
Shannon.
Question 1. If you had to change your name, what would you change your name to and why? Well, if I had to change my name, it would probably be Demi because I used to pick that all the time when I was younger. What about you?
Probably Poppy. I don't know why. I just like the name.
Question 2. What is the dumbest way you've been injured? I think my dumbest way is when I ran into a door and knocked my toe on the end of it. That's like mine.
When we was at your house, in the kitchen there was like a laundry basket and my toes separated in the corner of it. Yeah.
I know, the end toe.
And now they kind of like that now.
I swear. The third question is, what's the most useless talent you have? Useless talent. I think mine is like when I can do this, like.
Mine could be like twisting my tongue. I don't think I can do it right now. No. I tried.
Oh yeah, you did. Which 3 words describe you best? Well, mine would be kind. Don't know, I think I'm quite funny. What else? I don't know. Anxious. There you go. What's yours?
Mine would be like caring, like loving, maybe a bit mild sometimes.
Yeah, I would say so. Who was your role model when you was a child? I would say probably Nan.
Same.
Yeah. What did you want to be when you grew up? I wanted to be a lawyer. Don't know why now. Don't like happening.
Like a teacher or something, but I didn't do too good in school, so maybe not. I need like half of them. So.
I know you did that yourself. What would be your perfect job? YouTube. Obviously. What would you pick for your perfect?
Maybe like a beautician or something, or like a police officer, because I love a bit of like drama. Yeah.
What is the longest word you know? Well, the longest word I know is probably not even a word. I don't know where it is, but supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Which would you prefer? 5 years and 3 wishes, or 1 wish right now? I'd probably prefer, I don't know.
I'd say the 1
5 years
right now.
I'd do 5 years, 3 wishes. Did you ever keep to a New Year's resolution? No, never.
No, not really. I don't think I never.
I think everybody plans to, but like, it never happens. So there's no point. What was your favourite birthday or Christmas present? Well, mine was, I think I was young and I finally got a TV with like a tiny little DVD player in it. And that was my favourite one.
I don't know. I'd say my 18th birthday, maybe. Went to venue. I had like the best night, surprisingly.
What was your worst Christmas present or birthday present? Well, mine was like some little horsey. I still remember it to this day. And it was just some little horsey that was bought from like pound shop, I think, because it was well raggedy and like broken. And I think our uncle bought it for us.
Probably.
Do you not remember that horsey? Because you must have got the same.
No, I don't.
I swear I got that horsey and I was just like, are you joking me? And I was like 10 or 13 he buys his little balls.
Mine was probably like shoes or clothes from like my nan and granddad for Christmas or something. That was like pretty terrible.
What was your favourite childhood toy? Well, I'd have to say probably like Heelys.
They were actually the
They
best,
were
weren't
cool
they?
and everyone was getting them at the same time.
I remember
as well.
we got them the same time.
Yeah, and we were there getting hats. We were getting
Loved
Heelys.
them.
What was yours?
I'd say a little teddy that used to sing like "You Are My Sunshine." I used to love that teddy.
I knew that
so
teddy!
cool.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh,
I
it
remember
was the
I cried
purple
for
one,
it.
wasn't it?
Yeah.
because I used to always come around and like press that like over and over and over again
Yeah, I
like,
love
every
that
day.
teddy.
Do you believe in ghosts?
Definitely.
Yeah,
I do.
I definitely say ghosts. Even in here, my mum was not like, my mum was here not long ago, and I swear to you, you can ask her, like something smashed down on my sink, like the draining sink, the draining part, and like literally, I don't know what it was, because nothing had, like, there was no, like nothing there. Would you want to be invisible for a day, and why? Yes, I would, because I'd probably like do so many things to just like, I don't know, be like little
I think I'd
mystery.
spy on everyone for the day. See what everyone actually does.
And then not only that, say if someone's painting there, put a little paint somewhere, and they're like, what? Did I do that?
Like move their paint pot as well or something.
Would you rather be clever or beautiful? Probably clever.
Clever.
Yeah. But then I suppose if you're in school, I'd probably be like, want to be beautiful. Because then like,
Same, because then you
everyone
can
believes
just
in shit if you're not. But hairy or bald? Probably hairy. Like I'd shave like.
probably bald.
Would you?
I can't bother to shave. It's effort. It's
Oh,
like,
I know, it is. It is. I was just thinking about that the other day because I see someone shaving their face and I was like, what are you doing? Why would you create more of a like task? Taller or thinner? Probably taller.
thinner.
What irritates you the most? When someone tries to annoy you and like they know they're annoying you, but like they just still carry on and you're telling them to stop but they just carry on. That would be for me.
I'd say like people being late when you're meeting them. That irritates me a lot.
Yeah, and they're like just 5 seconds away.
Or like 5
and it's
minutes
like
and it's
half hour
been-
later and you're like, Where would you like to go on holiday? I want to go Dubai, I want to go pretty much everywhere.
Thailand, I definitely want to visit.
Thailand, I want to go Thailand. Yeah. What is your favourite chocolate bars? Right now, I love the Kit Kat Chunky Cheesecake. Like, oh my gosh, I bought like 20 of them straight away.
Mine's quite boring. I like Snickers. Like I love peanuts. Like,
Oh, I like Snickers, man.
or
I
like
get addicted
Kit
to
Kat
like all
peanut.
different ones, and then like I'll buy one for a week, like, and then next
like
one.
changing all the time.
Favourite food?
Chinese.
Yeah, Chinese.
Or Domino's.
Chinese. I do like an Indian.
Yeah,
but
same actually.
I love Chinese to munch on,
Yeah.
like,
Chinese.
because not only that, but you get loads of it, and like you've got 2 meals out of that.
Yeah.
Favourite drink? Tea. I drink
Coffee.
tea like every single day. Every day, like probably 100 teas. Like, 100 teas, I swear. Like, this one's so nice.
Is it hard being a mum?
Yeah, I would say so.
Definitely.
Like, and then not only that, but there's so many things you don't know, and then you just get thrown into, and you just have to work it out on your own because every child is different. So your mum can't possibly tell you because you may have been a completely different child to what your child is.
Totally. No, I totally agree with that one. Is it hard being in a relationship when you have kids?
Yes, yes. If you say no, you're lying. Like,
You
do
are.
not even try and talk crap, okay? It is very hard because you have to, for one, if you're living with that person, then it's a complete extra added on because you're doing everything.
It's like
And,
having another child, I'd
Yeah,
say.
it's like having a puppy, untrained, untrained, like. But yeah, definitely hard. I think the hardest thing to get through in a relationship is getting through that part, basically.
I'd say the first year was the hardest.
Yeah.
That's like
And then it just gets easier.
Yeah, it
when
does. So much easier.
they're older
now.
as well, because you see them having more of a bond as well at that
Which
age.
is nice, yeah. Do you sleep with the sheets tucked in or out?
I swear, like I have like one leg in the sheets and then like one leg like over the top.
Same.
So then
It's
I'm not
like a
too hot and I'm
balance,
not too cold.
And then I get a bit scared sometimes, still at my age.
Just last night as well, I was thinking the exact same thing. I put one leg out, one leg in, yeah, and I was just like, oh. No, what if someone's comes behind me and tries to touch me? Like, I've imagined the paranormal activity crap where they get pulled out of bed. I'm like, no, that is not happening.
Would you rather be attacked by a big bear or a swarm of bees? Definitely a bear.
Yeah, definitely a bear.
Hate bees, hate wasps, no thank you.
You know it as well, because remember
I'm
when I
off
first
if
had
I see one
Archie?
of them.
I had Archie, and then literally, this was when I first had Archie. We took him out to the park, and obviously at this time she didn't have a child. But yeah, we took him out to the park, and then like we were walking down. I had the pram, and then like as soon as I see a bee, I just ran. Left the pram. I'm sorry.
Were you ever a Girl Scout?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
We both were. Did you come brownies with me? I can't remember.
I can't remember, I just remember going to like one.
I went brownies like in primary school. Then
Oh my
I
god,
don't
we
know whether
did
you-
in St.
Did-
Pat's.
Yeah.
I just remember like the sweet tuck shop, like we could get the little sweeties after.
Yeah, we did go scouts, we went camping and everything, and it was like so nerdy. I call Adidas.
I think Adidas for me. I love
Yeah,
the
I love
Adidas
Adidas.
clothing, trainers.
Like trainers, like sometimes I'll get Nike,
No,
but like
same. I prefer Adidas.
Adidas is like, yeah, my go-to thing. Which task or chore is your least favourite? Like mine is like taking the bins out. I hate taking the bins out. It's not only that though, it's not about taking the bins out, it's about getting seen taking the bins out. Like people are just looking over like, yeah, you've got to take the bins out.
I think mine's washing up. Like I hate
Really?
the little bits of food.
Oh,
like,
I don't like
mind
it
if
when
I've
it's
got my gloves
greasy,
on.
mate.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
No, when
I
it's
just hate
greasy,
the
it's
bits
just
of
like.
food.
Have you ever gone into a room and forgot why you went in there in the first place? Yes, I've done it about a million times.
All the time.
I think every woman does. Like, they've
Uh-huh.
always got several things like rolling through their head at the same time.
Yeah. I
Men
think so.
don't really.
I thought I still had baby brain, but then can you even have it up to like this long?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've
then
had baby
maybe.
brain ever since I've had children.
Oh
like,
my god.
And not only that, but you forget like most of your English as well.
Yeah,
like,
you do.
You forget like how to speak because you're speaking in baby
Child
language.
all
Like,
the time. It's
Yeah.
like, yeah.
yeah. Thank you for
Thanks, guys.
coming and seeing the Q&A. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was quite funny for you. If you did enjoy this, then please give it a big thumbs up and like and subscribe. Yeah, I will see you again on Wednesday. Thank you. Bye. What?
Please like and subscribe.
If you did like it, then please give me a big hello and welcome to.
You've got someone in the morning.
Oh, sugar.
What? Do you want me to read out some?
Yeah, please.
Can I see him though?
Can you read it? Do I have lipstick on my teeth?
No.